It's time for coffee. All right, so what we're gonna do this morning is make some coffee. Now, this coffee has took time and effort, trial and error, blood, sweat, and tears to perfect this coffee. Because of this coffee, I am a coffee snob. Not a connoisseur, but a snob. So I'm gonna show you guys how we make coffee in our home. We're gonna do 3 servings today. We have 3 people in the house today that want coffee, so they're gonna get it. What we're using today is we're gonna use some non-dairy creamer. You can use whatever creamer it is you want. This is what we have. About 2.5 cups of fresh brewed coffee, some Thai coconut milk. We're gonna use some cashews right there. And we're gonna, of course, use our Vitamix to blend this baby up. Now, you like us producing videos like this, tips, tricks, recipes, my own spin-on recipes and things like that, hit subscribe, hit like if you want us to keep making videos. We love making them for you. Hit subscribe when you want to be notified of when I have those new videos out. So make sure you hit that. The A3500, this is one you guys will see me use in my demonstration. Love it very much. Recommend it to all my friends and family. It is the top of line model that Vitamix makes, so well worth the money, especially, you're gonna be using this thing, 2-3 times a day, even things like coffee, okay? Now, I have the 64 ounce low profile container. This is the one that comes standard with the A3500. This is gonna do the job perfectly for this. Now, I am using the Perfect Blend scale without the app, okay? This is a recipe you can add to the app. You can go into the settings, you can add in your own recipe, and you can take this and add it into the app if you want to. I'm just gonna show you here real quick how to use this for measuring ingredients without using the app, and we're just gonna set the container on there. So without further ado, let's get started, okay? So we'll go ahead and set the container on there. And I'm gonna go ahead and hit the 0 button, and this is just going to do a tare weight on that. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add in 30 grams of Thai coconut milk. I already had this left over, so I'm just gonna use this instead of popping open a new can. Oh, just one more drop. Perfect. All right. Next thing I'm going to add in is 12 whole cashews. Now, these have been thoroughly inspected and they are certified by me, regulation, size, and quality. So we're going to add in 12 of those. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and hit 0 again. Next thing I'm going to add in is 54 grams of hot water. So I'll go ahead and take that kettle. Very precise. As you can see, these scales are extremely sensitive. There we go. Okay, we'll go ahead and hit 0 again. 480 grams of coffee. I meant 490 grams of hot coffee. We're gonna add in 123 grams of creamer. Now you can use your favorite creamer, of course. I'm using the French vanilla. Oh. Got our coffee creamer in there now. And next thing what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and blend this on high for 1 minute. So we'll go ahead and set this onto the base of the A3500. Click on the lid there. And I'm just going to use this plus and minus button here. I'm gonna hold the plus button till it gets to 1 minute. I'm gonna turn it on and turn it all the way up to high for 1 minute. of the things I like about that plus and minus button is it shuts off automatically. So if you're busy doing something, it'll just turn off on its own. It's not gonna just keep heating it up hotter and hotter and hotter. All right, so let's go ahead and serve this baby up. So I put in some hot water into my mug here. This is great for just kind of preheating your mug. And there we have it. Years of perfection. Done. All right, you guys. Cheers. Try this at home. Enjoy. Hit that like and subscribe button for us, all right? Take care. Can't do without it.